Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about Lithium American Corporation traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name LAC. Well, Lithium Americas is actually the stock that made today very interesting move. It started below the previous closure and actually ended above, forming incredibly bullish momentum, also supported by actually its moving averages 20, 50 and 200, all three being not only positive but also going up with acceleration and sending the stock in over both area. So now the question is, of course, will it continue this trend? If no or yes, what to do, where to sell, to buy, and yeah, where would be the interesting entry points? To understand this, let's do the analysis for Lithium Americas. Well, we can see that the first very important trends here start actually, we can say, the beginning of May. So from here we will do the analysis. You can clearly see that the price was going very nice, actually even longer period, started a linear upwards movement trend, which we can call trend 1 here. And this trend is very strong. It lasted actually more than 5 months, and it went really with waves, being reconfirmed many times at the beginning of May, middle of May, then also being reconfirmed middle of June, beginning of July, and then it went upwards almost linearly, and it was followed by moving average 50. Actually, it's nicely seen that moving average 50 was mainly forming the trend 1 line. Moving average 20, this green line was going on above and used many times as a support. By the way, here we have three moving averages depicted. It's moving average 20, 50, and 200 being green, blue, and red lines correspondingly. So all three moving averages here were steadily going up, and the waves were nicely formed, but only and without actually having the breakage. So all the waves were nicely finishing themselves. But starting from middle of August, waves were finishing with the breakage. Breakage means that, so if you have wave up and wave down, this is a classical wave formation. If you have wave up and then going like this is actually called a breaking wave. And breaking wave on the upwards going trends usually means that, well, trend is not finished yet, but it is about to finish, or something is happening that it cannot keep the let's say the boost behavior, the power to go up. This indeed what we see here. For example, at the middle of August, the trend was broken and it went all the way straight down to moving average 50 and trend 1 line. Then it actually covered, making a classical nice wave, and again reconfirming actually about 10ish of September the trend 1 line. Then another wave started up, again positive wave, and again it was broken. So we see second breakage already, and then again it went towards moving average 50 and trend 1 line. Here it formed double support, even actually triple support, because it also was supported by this line here. And what we can see, there was still some slight piercing of the trend 1, and then another recovery wave started. And this recovery wave really went very interestingly. So it waved first all the way up until the previous wave maximum. Here it worked as a volatility 2 days, and then it went a little bit further up. Then, of course, everyone was expecting another breaking wave. It did start a little bit lower, but what happened in Friday, also very unexpected, that it really made a very nice leg up. So now what we can see, it's extremely bullish momentum, but it means that if you're already in position, you might probably still sell in Monday with profits, but most probably it will be either the volatility inside of the body of this white candle, or if it opens with opening higher than the today's closure, then it will be something like a shooting star kind of candle, similar to this one, or could be also dark one. So overall, it means that actually volatility and correction should take place here. At least the volatility will take place in the beginning of the week. So you should be careful if it will be volatility within the body of the latest white candle, so something like this, situation 1, then we will need to see at the moving average 20 and 50 if they keep up going upwards exponentially. So if they keep up moving like this, and let's draw another one like this, still there is a chance that after volatility and some slighter correction towards these levels, the previous levels here, or until here there will be a stronger recovery, so we can make another wave. If the situation is such that we make kind of a shooting star behavior, so we open much higher and then we actually start going down, this would be a very strong breakage of the wave, meaning that we could pierce further below S1 and S2 lines. We can actually pierce all the way to S3 line, this brown line, and might even be further. And then it's just a matter of a shallow-nated defense here. This would be another defense line where you can buy. And if the second scenario takes place, so if we are not volatile in the Monday in the body, but we are forming above and they go down, then most probably we go to S2, S3, S4. Well, it's not in one day, of course, it will be just trend formation, and then you can buy in vicinities of S3, S4. So if it's the first case, we're volatiling inside of the body, then it's actually closer to the current trend one line would be the best buying option, so something around S2. If we open on top and make a very strong move down, then it will be the best first buy would be S3. So these two circles actually will define where to buy and then resell at the further case of the further wave up with a reasonable profit, what you decide for yourself. Also, if you look for RSI, indeed it indicates that we are in overbought zone, but still it might do the final push up. If you look at MACD, it's extremely high wave, so it really wants to have a recovery. It can be broken recovery like the previous wave, or it could be a steady recovery like here, but it needs to go to negative area to recharge the fuel. So having said that, now you know what to do, what to expect. So it's either S1, S2 behavior if we are inside of the body volatiling in the Monday, or it will be most probably S3, S4 if we are opening above and then shooting down with the shooting star candle. So having said that, Lithium Americas now is no secret for you. Know what to do, where to enter, what to expect during coming week trading sessions. So good luck with it. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you will not miss new interesting videos and new discussions related US-based stocks.